Yo guys, what's up? It's Motherboard Gaming, and let's not waste your internet connection and cut to the chase. Well, if you're looking for a PC which could run Fallout 4 and other recent games, here's a combination which will fit under your budget. Alright guys, let's start with the processor. i3-4170 will do it for Fallout 4, but it won't be enough for the upcoming games and some of the recent ones. So if you could just increase your budget till i5, that would be great. But if you're just planning to play Fallout 4, i3 will do it. Let's get on to the memory. G-Skill Sniper 8GB RAM is pretty good. It has been mainstay of big gaming communities since it came out. It is pretty aggressive for gaming, and that's a very good thing for us. Now the most important part, the graphic card. MSI Radeon R9 380 4GB. This card includes an MIR, so be sure to send that in for the additional $20 off, down to 180 from 200. Well, 4GB of VRAM gives us mobility for high resolution, texture modes and other graphic stuff like this. Its primary competitor is GTX 960. Our CPU-GPU pairing is about as level as it's get. Now the power supply for our graphic card, Corsair CS450M blah 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 will mark down to $25 after a $30 MIR and $5 code is given. Well, this will work for our graphic card, and this is a graph showing the power consumption of these. R9 380 is pretty good. Now the hard disk part. Well, hard disk doesn't matter in gaming a lot, and Western Digital Blue blah 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 1TB will do it for us, and it will only cost you $53, so it will keep it under budget. It's pretty good. Motherboard MSI Z97 PC made after $10 MIR. This board rests at $75. Well, this board is necessary because we found RAM of 2133 MHz, so this motherboard is recommended. Now the case. Well, what can I say about case? It costs $60 and it's a box. Now let's see all the optional stuff you can buy. CPU cooler not needed, but if you want one, this one is good. Operating system, whichever you like. SSD not necessary. I mean, all three is not necessary. I mean, that's why it's optional. So that's it for this one, guys. Hope the video worked for you. Hit that like button, it means a lot to me. And comment or ask anything you like. Subscribe to stay tuned.